one more. I know we talked about the kids playing with toys and whatnot. I know that anything building blocks like Legos, is that considered building or destroying or whatever?
No. It's not
like Legos, or
exactly.
It has to do with like construction work and stuff like that.
Exactly. So especially building blocks, there is no problem whatsoever. Legos also no problem, because even they attach the things. It's usually in a temporary matter. Like they would take it apart today or like very soon. So that's not a problem. But battery operated things are not allowed for kids. So you just hide them, and you try to explain them. If they're a little older, so understand they know Shabbos, they don't touch those things. Right, but if it's a small child like under 3 years old, and she does not understand, and she insists on this to play with this electric toy, so you don't touch. For you, it's muktzeh, absolutely forbidden. So you let the child to take the toy without your intervention. That's the thing. So like indirectly. So let her touch or let him touch. There is no problem. But after some time, like after 4 or 5 years old, when there is somebody to talk to, right? So you can explain the concept of Shabbos.
Okay. Puzzles, Rabbi?
Say it again.
Puzzles, no, right? You're not allowed.
Puzzles?
Yeah.
No, puzzles. It's a different story. No, it's not allowed. When they do puzzles. One of the prohibitions on Shabbos, you cannot write. So and as a continuation, like expansion of this Melacha, that you cannot draw pictures. Okay, any meaningful shapes. I mean, meaningful, like not simple, not the line or like a circle, right? More meaningful, right? So and this, like when you do puzzles, you put pieces together. In some sense, it's like you're painting.